What is happening with you guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Kicks coming at you live from the little mini fleet. Sounds so funny. Yeah, she's been sitting. And just it's different. Welcome back to another video, guys. Hope you guys are all doing well. Hey, Nismo 370. Hope you guys are all doing well. I'm doing great, guys. As you can see, another day, another blessing. It's gonna be a little warm, so I didn't really want to bring the Z out because I ain't got no AC in this bitch. But Beamer Invasion was yesterday, so I've had enough of BMWs for the weekend. We got a Gretty meet today, so finally some JDM shit. So I figured I would bring the Z out. If I had the S15, best believe I would have brought it, but she is injured right now, so she'll be back. I didn't think it was gonna be this many people. Very nice, very nice. Shit is crazy packed. I don't even know where to park. What's good? Sick of beat. Alright guys, we parked somewhere. It's finally some JDM cars. Got a sick S15 over there. Very clean. What's up, man? Okay, CCWs. Nice, that's clean. A little S2 Kizzle. MR2? Alright. It's pretty nice. My bad, guys, it's a little bright. I need a ND filter. Yo, do I see a turbo in that? No way. What? That's crazy. I've never seen a turbo TL. Maybe I've been living under a rock, but I have not seen it. Was it a J32, right? It's pretty sick. Yo, why is that shit spooling? That's sick. Nice for a change to be around what I love. Don't get me wrong, man, I like BMWs. They're sick. I just feel like, I don't know, the scene's like kind of overwhelmed with them. That's a clean S2K though. KG. Tell me. Nice, nice. Right hand drive? See, you see like the most unique shit here. Mean little race car. See, what, got slicks in the back? No way this is all-wheel drive swapped. That's crazy if it is. A little Z. Look, everybody's under the tree. On the Meister. Alright guys, let's see what's going on over here. And a nice E36 over there. A little boosted truck. Damn. It's clean too. Super unique stuff here. S14. Nice. A little SR20. Hey. Damn, that's clean. Oh, that's so hard. Check out my boy Bowie's Turbo S. fool has all OEM shit on this. Club Sport rear, built motor. He wants me to take this, drive it for a bit for a little review. I'm scared to drive this shit, bro. I don't want to break it because I can't afford to fix it. Sheesh. That's clean. I just saw Corey pull up. I don't know where he's gonna park. New wrap looks sick. Sheesh. Okay. I'm about to hop in, G. Hey. This color for sure looks better than the red. Right behind me, man. A little GTR. Okay, sir. Alright. What's up, G? Looking good, man. Ah, fuck, I missed my car. That sounds good too with the SR. Look at, man. It's hidden. The boosted boys. The only boosted VQs here. Right hand drive. Where you at, Jim? That's Fifth Tizzle on some Meisties. Oh, the two-piece. We still here, man. We in the shade. This is low-key blazing. Oh, GTR. Shit loud. The little wing. I'm dead. Little Evo. But bro! Right here. Right here. Clean, 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 clean. Okay. Damn, that vet got a mean pro charger on it. That shit's just. Whew. Well, we didn't get to see everything, guys. I ain't gonna lie, it's hot. My ass is burning. So, it's time to go eat. Got him with my low compression ass. And the Z still got a little something. Damn, bro, I heard the Evo spooling up. I'm like, fuck, I'm about to get sauced up right now on camera. But we took the dub. Low comp, heat soaked ass VQ. That's crazy work. Man, that's sweaty back, dog. Shit. So funny, me and Corey's cars sound like almost identically the same. It's just now I have the bigger manifolds. I think he's still on the stock header, so. Meow. Ooh, that breakfast is true. YouTube beats first. Alright, guys, we just ate. Yo, look, the Evo tagged me. Check it out, check it out. That shit is still moving.
Much later.
Oh, gotta put this thing on. We need that. It's gonna sound a little different, because you know what? Your boy finally figured out what was wrong with the damn valve. For the longest time, I've been trying to figure out why my valve wasn't working. I even bought a new valve or actuator and it still wasn't working. So I'm like, bro, this shit was bothering the hell out of me. So the other night I was literally messing with this thing for like a cool hour or two, just trying everything and like going through all these different things. And I had no idea that there was actually a fuse for the actuator. So I'm not too sure if the fuse was an actual dedicated fuse just for the actuator, or if it controls maybe a couple other things. But I put another fuse, boom, right away, valve started working again. I was like, bruh, I need that. So check this out, bro. Fully modified car, mind you guys, this car is big turbo, full exhaust, like pretty much everything you can possibly have. And listen to how quiet it's gonna be when I start it. That's a cold start, bruh. Bro, it almost sounds stock. Like, that shit is crazy. Listen. Stupid quiet. Like, honestly, having that valve is so clutch. Finally, glad I got that sorted out. Little neighbor got a Rari, nothing big. Bro, it's so quiet. Shit is weird. I told y'all that valve was gonna come clutch. Really right behind a cop. Oh, man. Let me get a clean roller of you, G. Since I'm OC boys now, literally like almost every car meet is within 10 to 20 minutes from me. So I am absolutely loving it. I can go to multiple car meets like back to back in the same day and still come home and not be tired. Car meets for me before was like a 2-hour trip, you know, there, back, sometimes more. Ridiculous. But yeah, now we finally close to the meets. All right, guys, we back in stealth mode. It's not looking too good. I already seen like 4 people pulled over, so I don't know if everybody relocated or like where they're going. Well, guys, it looks like a burn. There's a few people over here, but it seems like everybody jetted out. What a waste of time, but at least I'm like 15 minutes away from home. I could have came all the way out here and been an hour away from home, then I would have been really sad. Oh yeah, it's looking like I'm just gonna go home and play Fortnite. That little G8 right there. That thing face down, ass up. Yeah, I don't know, man. Like race cars around this area? That's not a good idea, sir. Like rolling around on slicks and a tire? Nah. You gotta come in some incognito shit like this. I'm definitely not bringing a Z over here for sure. Is this guy good? They really stopped in the middle of the street. And there's an op right there. How did he not say anything? My eyes don't deceive me. It looks like a CHP coming up right now. Yep. I saw an M3 right now too. I was about to see what's up, but I had a gut feeling. Don't do it. Look at that. I just look like a normal bystander. Just a guy just got off work, just driving home in my quiet ass car. Well, we made it back to the Batcave. And it wasn't really an inconvenience. At the end of the day, I just went for a little cruise. So that's the second time I try to go to a meet in that area within a week. Completely burned by the time I get there. It's just helicopters. So I will be passing on any meets in that exact area. There's just no point. Like I said, second time and it's been burned. Unfortunate, we didn't really get to see any cars. We had no action, but made it home safely without any drama. I think I'm gonna come to the 340 and I got a few parts for it. So I'm probably gonna install those tomorrow. It's like little stuff. So probably throw that in the video and then maybe get this thing washed, and I'll probably take it to Cars and Coffee on Saturday. This thing's running now, so I wanna get my fun out of it. The Z is just there to be there right now. Like I still could take it out, but she's not 1000%. So I really wanna preserve the motor so that way we could use it for the SOT and so nothing bad happens. And currently right now I have to order some parts. Machine shop said that they need pretty much like all the parts for the motor so that way he can finish doing all the balancing and stuff on the crank. So yeah, gotta order a few things, but yeah, man, for now we can go play some video games. Catch you guys tomorrow.